How to get back old Instagram chat theme. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to get back old Instagram chat theme. To begin with, make sure to update your app. Head over to your respective app store. On the search bar, type in Instagram, and if you see update, then you want to click that out. After updating it, so click on the open button and log into your account. So as you are logged in, what next you want to do is here you simply want to click on the DMs icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. And next thing what you want to do is locate the particular chat for which you want to go ahead and get back the old chat theme. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and look for the one. So this is the theme at the moment, right? So what you want to do is click on the username at the top, and there you have these theme. So if you scroll down right to the bottom, you could find the default one, or else you could also go ahead and look for the default one. Just scroll down, and that is basically how you'll be able to get back the default theme. Or else what you could also do is just click on the three dot icon or go to the theme once again and change it accordingly. And that is basically how you'll be able to get back the old chat theme on Instagram. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.